Save installation costs and precious cabinet space with the latest addition to B&R's ACOPOSmotor family. This innovative new motor with an integrated high-performance servo drive is neatly packaged in a housing the size of a credit card. Enjoy incredible savings in both time and cabling costs with unique 300-degree swivel connectors. The innovative hybrid cable is all you need to connect to the control cabinet or easily daisy chain additional ACOPOSmotor units. Decentralized automation has never been this easy. Distributed drives and powerful motors are a winning combination. ACOPOSmotors bring drive technology out of the control cabinet and onto the machine. This advanced modularity gives you the freedom to build the adaptive machines of the future for profitable small batch production. One machine with countless possibilities. The compact new ACOPOSmotor design delivers integrated STO safety functionality, up to 1 kilowatt of peak power, and regenerative braking for reduced energy consumption. Now more than ever, the ACOPOSmotor family is ready to transform your visions of modular adaptive manufacturing into reality.